Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question 21. If y varies inversely as the square of x and y is equal to 1 over 2 when x equal to 2, find the positive value of x when y equal 18. A 9, B 3, C 1 over 3, D 1 over 9, and E 1 over 18. So we are given what's a question under variation, and let's divide our board under variation, and it says if y varies as inversely as the square of x, meaning that y varies what inversely as the square of x, that is y varies what inversely as x square. Now removing this proportionality sign, that's introducing our constant. Let the constant be k. Let k be what constant. Introducing this constant now, we have that what? We have that y is equal to k all over x square. Y is equal to k over x square. Now this k is the constant. Now we're given that y is equal to 1 over 2 when x is equal to 2, meaning that we have to find what the equation connecting y and x by finding what the value of this constant k. Now we're given that y is equal to 1 all over 2 when x is equal to 2. So therefore we say 1 over 2 is equal to k all over 2 square, and this is equals to what? K all over 4. Remember, 2 square is equals to 4. Now from this we have that what? 1 all over 2 is equal to k over 4. Now when you cross multiply, we'll have that what? 2k is equal to 4. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of k, which is 2, we have that what? K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Now the equation connecting y and x now will be what? Y is equals to 2 all over x square. But the question says find the positive value of x when y equals 18. So when y equals 18, when y equal 18, but to find the positive value of what? X. Now we have that what? 18 is equal to 2, which is the k constant, all over what? X square. Now let's continue here. X square. So we have what? 18 is equals to 2 all over x square. Now when we cross multiply, this same thing as saying 18 over 1. By cross multiplying, we have what? 18 x square is equals to what? 2. Remember, we cross multiply, so 18 will multiply x square, 1 will multiply 2 to give us 2. Now from here, we're dividing both sides by the what? Coefficient of x. We have what? Divided by 18 all over 18, and we have what? 18 to cancel 18. We have x square is equals to, now 2 here 1, and 2 in 18 will give us 9, is equals to 1 all over 9. Now we have x square, but we are asked to find x, not x square. So we take the square root of what? Both sides. Square root of both sides. Now square root of x square will give us what? X is equal to, and square root of 1 over 9 is same thing as saying square root of 1 all over square root of 9, and square root of 1 will give us 1, and square root of 9 will give us what? 3. So therefore the answer, or the value for x, is what? X is equals to 1 over 3 when y is equals to 18. So x is equal to 1 all over 3, and that is what? Option C. Option C. X is equals to 1 over 3, which is the correct answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.